is for apple, so red and round. B is for bunny hopping on the ground. C is for cat with a little meow. D is for duck, let's quack quack now. A, B, C, come and sing with me. Learning letters, it's so easy. Clap your hands, dance around. Let's learn the letters with what a sound. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for goat, climbing the hill. H is for house, so cozy and still. A, B, C, come and sing with me. Learning letters, it's so easy. Clap your hands, dance around. Let's learn the letters with what a sound. I is for igloo, so frosty and cool. J is for jelly, wiggly like a pool. K is for kite, flying in the air. L is for lion with a mighty roar to share. And O, let's keep the flow. P, Q, R, we're ready to go. S, N, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, Z. We final C, we've sung them all. Big and small, short and tall. Learning letters is so much fun. Hooray, hooray, now we're done.